Right, guys, so we have finished the Photoshop installation. Yes, we are done with the installing Photoshop, and then we've also launched our application, Photoshop application. So today we are going to look at how to navigate your way through the Photoshop, how to navigate your way through. So what we need to do is, right now we are going to create a new project. So you have create new here, you also have open here. So if you have an existing project, you go to open. If you don't have any existing project, we are now coming to create new. So you go to create new. So as you can see, this is the home tab of, or the home page of Photoshop. So what you need to do is to what? Click on create new, and let's wait for it. Yes, so as you can see, we have different setups here. We have we have recent. The only recent sheet here is what is the 5x7. You also come here. If you have saved anything here, it will also come. But this is a new software that we have launched, so there is nothing saved here. If you come to photos, we have different paper size here that if you want to use, you can use any of them. If you come to print, we also have different paper size. We have letter, we have legal, we have tabloid, we have A4, we have A3 and other things. Yes, so as you can see in that order, if you come to web and art and illustration, web, mobile, and then film and video, in that order. So in this case, you can also type in your customized size. So when you come to the right side here, this is the preset details. So you can give it a name as, let's say, doc1 is the first name. For that, you can also come to, let me see if it's recording. Okay, so after that, you can also come to, this is the width, this is the height. You can also change from the pixel. This is the dimensions that we are using. So we have pixel, we have inches, we have centimeters, we have millimeters, points and pickers. But in this case, we are going to use inches. So as you can see, we have 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches, which is the width by, this is 8.5 inches, which is the width, by 11 inches, which is the height. And we come here to, this is the portrait. We have in portrait form. So if you want your work to be in a portrait form, this is what you use. This is the landscape form. If you want it to be in a landscape form, this is what you use. If you want artboard, we have different artboards. So if you want to add artboard to your work, you check the artboard button here. Yes, when we come to the resolution, yes, always let the resolution should be 300. Yes, but when you are working with high, like when your sizes are bigger, you reduce the resolution. When your sizes are bigger, you reduce the resolution. But when you are working with smaller size, you increase the resolution to be 300. We have three types of resolution. We have 72 resolution. We also have 150 and then 300. Yes, so it depends on the kind of work you are doing. You can play along with your resolution. But I encourage you to use 300 for your work to be nice. Yeah, so when you come here, this place, you should be at where it is no changing. When you come here, the color too, you also have RGB, it should be there. 8 bits, it should be there, no changes. When you come to the background, that too, it should be white. Don't change anything. This place too, you don't need to change anything. So right after that, you click on what? Create. Yes, so as you can see, this is our interface. I have designed this interface. The first thing you are going to do is not going to be like this, but I'm coming. Let me save my interface. I want to show you how your interface is going to be. This is my own interface, new workspace. So my workspace, then save it. All right then, so this is how your interface is going to be. Right, let's reset it to the back. Yes, So after you've created your new document, this is how your interface is going to look. Yes, so I'll pause the video here. I'll continue in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then also hit on the notification bell, and anytime that we release a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you and see you. Peace out.